अब वह समय आ गया है जहाँ हम उत्कृष्टता का जश्न मनाते हैं, उपलब्धियों की सराहना करते हैं और उन लोगों को सम्मानित करते हैं जिन्होंने अपनी मेहनत और समर्पण से हमारे विद्यालय का नाम गर्व से ऊंचा किया है। So let's honor the stars of our school, not just our students, but some special parents who have showcased their spirit and enthusiasm by participating in the sports events. To begin this prestigious segment, we feel truly honored to invite our respected Vice Principal, Ma'am Shweta Batra, and one of our teachers, Ma'am Varsha Rathore, to take on stage and grace the occasion by presenting the prizes to our deserving achievers.
That today is not just another day. Today is special. Good evening to everyone present here. Today is a tribute to effort, discipline, talent, courage, consistency and dreams. It is the day when hard work turns into applause, when perseverance becomes pride, and when the quiet journeys of our students take the spotlight. Achievements are not accidents. They are the quiet echoes of discipline, the steady rhythm of perseverance, and the gentle guidance of those who believe in us.
सफर अभी तो शुरू हुआ है, मंजिलें आगे ढेर सारी हैं, उड़ान भरो तुम ऊंचे आकाश में, तुम हो तो कल की तैयारी है।
Every child who walks on this stage today carries with him a story. Story of challenges embraced, chapters revised, courage gathered, and dreams pursued. Tonight, we are not only honoring the achievers, we are celebrating the journeys, the growth, the commitment, and the spirit that defines our Sangam students. Before we begin with the first category, we humbly request respected Pudani sir and our dearest principal, Ms. Madhu Nagpal, to kindly step forward and grace us by giving away the awards. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
आज तालियों की गूंज में छिपा उन बच्चों का संघर्ष पुराना, मेहनत को पूजा जिसने सीखा सफलता को अपनाना।
From grade 2B, we call upon the diligent Ridan Niyati who stood first. From grade 3A, we warmly invite the brilliant Vishwas staff for securing the first position. Please welcome the sincere and hardworking Aradhya Somani who stood first in grade 3B. From grade 4A, we proudly call upon the exceptional performer Sarthak Agal who bagged the first prize. And from grade 4B, we invite the consistently excellent Bhavya Jain who stood first. Education becomes combination and performance.
आज मंच पर खड़ा ये हर बच्चा उपलब्धियों का सुंदर उदाहरण है। सीख यह दे जाता हम सबको, मेहनत है तो जीवन उज्जवल है।
Let us celebrate our young talents and please keep encouraging them with your applause. Best in dance goes to Charvi Tithani from grade 4A, a graceful performer who brings rhythm to life, and to Trisha Jain from grade 5B, a dancer whose every move reflects passion and precision. Best in vocal music goes to Harshit Ranjan from grade 5B, a melodious voice that fills the room with magic. Best in Instrumental Music is backed by Chitransh Parihar from 5A, a young musician whose fingers speak the language of music. Best in Art goes to Advik Patwari from Grade 3A, a budding artist with a vivid imagination and a keen eye for detail, and to Miraya Sharda from 5A, a creative soul whose artwork tells beautiful stories. Best orator is Navyashri Jain from Grade 5A, a confident speaker who expresses every idea with clarity and charm, and to Sudhi Shankar from 5B, a powerful communicator with flawless expression. Best in Drama goes to R.V. Jain from 5A, a natural actor who brings characters to life effortlessly. May your imagination stay fearless and your confidence stay unshakable. Sports are not just games. They are lessons in courage, discipline, stamina and team spirit.
कभी गेंद कभी दौड़ तो कभी कबड्डी, हर खेल में उनका दम दिखता है। हार जीत से ऊपर उतर मानो खेल के प्रति उनका ही समर्पण दिखता है।
We proudly honor our young athletes. Let's cheer loudly for them. Swara Jain from Grade 3B, a talented skater who made us proud at the state level. Kalp Singhvi from Grade 5A, an outstanding cricketer who displayed his batting skills in SSPL Juniors. Dhriti Garg from Grade 5A, a karate champion bringing laurels to the school. And Jigyasa Solanki from Grade 4A, a confident and energetic performer on the field and an upcoming cricket star at Sangam. To our champions, may you run stronger, play harder and rise higher every time.
मेहनत की हर लकीर एक कहानी कहती है, जो करते हैं संघर्ष दिल लगाकर, किस्मत भी उनकी ही राह गढ़ती है।
And now, the moment of excitement. It's time to announce the best house trophy of the year. On the basis of the total court points accumulated across Payal Somani, I call upon Ma'am Payal, along with Ma'am Sukriti and some representatives from the house to come forward and lift the trophy. A huge round of applause for Akash House. The moment everyone has been waiting for. We now announce the Champion House Trophy, the Champions Trophy. Please give them a thunderous round of applause as they come on stage with their house representatives. Agni House. Sangam Spree is not just a sports event. It is joy, bonding, laughter and unforgettable memories with parents. We now call upon the results for moms events, and to begin with, we have the indoor events for moms. Let us honor the spirited parents who participated wholeheartedly and made the events vibrant. So I call upon the runner-up position in Carom, and it was claimed by Mrs. Varsha Patwari. Mrs. Bharti Kabra emerged as the winner in Satolia. The winner title in Satolia also goes to Mrs. Vedanti Samdani. In Kho-Kho, Mrs. Deepti Ajmera. Mrs. Seema Ajmera. Mrs. Antika Ajmera.
मैं आपको एक 10 मिनट बाद कॉल करूँ इस प्रोग्राम में वो चढ़ा दूँगा।
Mrs. Sunita Keswani. And Mrs. Varsha Patwari took the winner position with an excellent performance. The runner-up position in cricket was secured by Mrs. Nidhi Saraf. Mrs. Renu Yadav. And Mrs. Bharti Kabra. In the winners category for cricket, Mrs. Deepika Ladha, Mrs. Vedanti Samdhani stood out with a commendable performance. And now we have the results for the events for dads. The winner position in badminton doubles was secured by Mr. Jalaj Mehta. Mr. Gaurav Porwal and Mr. Vikas Patodi captured the winner position in pickleball doubles. And in cricket, the winner position was taken by Mr. Vikram Singh. With this, we conclude the announcement of today's Sangam Speed results. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for your